Kariba. I like my breakfast healthy.
And I like my breakfast tasty. I like my breakfast healthy and tasty.
Let's see 2 pancake recipe that's so healthy and tasty.
Let's start making banana pancakes. You'll need 3 bananas and a cup of rolled oats, an egg, half cup of milk, unsalted butter as needed,
Half teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a tablespoon of jaggery, and half tablespoon of baking powder. To make banana pancakes, let's start peeling the bananas and put into your blender.
Yeah, I've actually seen a monkey eating a banana. You know who it is?
3 monkeys.
I've actually seen this monkey eating bananas. Sometimes I eat 4 bananas in a day. Oh no, I dropped a peel on the floor.
Add a cup of rolled oats to your blender. Crack in 1 egg. Add in half cup of milk.
Now I'm gonna add half tablespoon of baking powder and a tablespoon of jaggery. Then I'm gonna add in half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This smells so good.
It's time to blend it into a smooth batter. The batter for the banana pancakes is ready.
Now let's transfer the batter inside a bowl.
I've heated my skillet here. I'm going to add some butter to it.
I love butter.
Yeah. If you don't like butter, you can add any oil. Take a ladle of batter. And just spread it.
Oh my god, they're so cute. Now it's time to flip it over. Wow, it looks so pretty. Yeah, I just want to eat it now. Yeah.
I like to top it up with whipped cream.
Yeah, and bananas on the top also taste so good. And I love my pancakes with maple syrup. Up next, we're gonna make ragi pancakes. You'll need 3 by 4 cup of ragi flour and 3 by 4 cup of milk. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of jaggery,
1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate shaved, and Chocochips to garnish. Finger millet or ragi is a super source of protein and fiber. So why not include in your breakfast?
and guess what? We're adding chocolate in it. Yeah. Into my bowl, I'm gonna add 3 by 4 cup of ragi flour. Then I'm gonna add in half a tablespoon of baking powder. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder to my bowl. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of shaved dark chocolate.
Add in 2 tablespoons of jaggery and 2 tablespoons of butter to it. I'm going to add 3 by 4 cup of milk and whisk it very well. Heat the skillet and add some butter to it. Pour in a ladle of pancake.
You know what I really love about this pancake? It looks so like chocolate, but it's healthy. And I want to top it up with some chocolate chips. You know,
This is entirely optional, but kids would love and prefer it. So if you don't mind it, you can just.
Sometimes I steal my chocolate chips and I'll eat it.
It's time to flip it up.
It looks so chocolatey.
It's a tricky way to give healthy breakfast for your kids. So ragi is going to be the main ingredient and the color is going to attract your kids. It's time to transfer to a plate.
Wow, I just want to eat this right now. Oh my god, look at these pancakes, guys. I know that you'll try them at your home, definitely. Yeah, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.